everybody. Another day in Scott's beautiful garage out here. Got a good little deal for you today. We're going to do oxygen sensors on my daughter's truck. She has a little misfire action. So I've already replaced the spark plug on cylinder 4, and it didn't really change anything. The spark plug didn't look bad. It looked like it might have been a little rich. I haven't checked for compression yet, but that'll be the next step if these oxygen sensors don't straighten things up. A lot of times on these GM V6s, the oxygen sensors don't go completely bad. They run it a little rich and then causes some issues. So turn you around here, I actually pulled my wife's vehicle out. We're going to use the carport today and do a little creeper action so I don't got to lay on the concrete floor. Alright, so here's the Jimmy. I got her up on the ramps there, little creeper down there, and come up here. So since I'm no good at diagnosing and guessing games, I just went ahead and bought one for each of the 3 locations. So we're going to get to it. Alright, so it looks like this side should be pretty straightforward. I'm on the driver's side. You can see that there it is right there. So I should be able to reach that alright and figure. Alright guys, well that wasn't too bad. Got that one in there. Just to tell you though, these wires were tucked up way up on top of the shift mechanism. And it took a little work to get them down out of there, but we got it. So, driver's side, I guess that's bank 1. Alright guys, I'm under the passenger side, and how clear it is up there. Right here is the other upstream. Well, you guys know what that is, oxygen sensor. And this one, the clip is right here. I know you can't really see it, but this wire goes to the clip there. That's clipped to the frame, so that'll be easy to get off. Now if I can just get my wrench in there, with the way this pipe comes down here, there's no room between it and the torsion bar, and I can't get on that side. I might be able to get up here, or I might get lucky and be able to come through here, but there's literally like 2 inches of play everywhere. So I'll just do that and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so this was a bit of a chore to get in there due to the constraints of where this is at. I literally have got my little wrench here if I can find it. Oh, laying on it. But literally, gotta get my wrench on here, and then I had to shove it way up here past the frame in order to get that thing to come loose. And you can see this is not oil here. This was WD-40. I had to soak her down pretty good. But otherwise, we got all 3 plugs in. I went ahead and did the other plug back in the back. It's up there. Went ahead and did that plug. So that one's in. So now I've got all 3 oxygen sensors in, and I'm gonna clean my hands up. Hey guys, well, got those 3 oxygen sensors in there. Took her out for a test rip down 44 there. So far so good. I cleared the engine code here. We don't have any check engine light. So now we're just gonna head back to the house and get cleaned up a little bit. And I think we're gonna go do some things with my little feller. So that's gonna be in this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Help a guy out.